Hello, good morning. This is French class lesson 2. The topic of today is how to sound French. How to sound French. Here are a few rules that will help you to sound French right from the beginning. You can see here. In French, unlike in most English words, it is the last part of the word that bears a heavy stress. For instance, you can see here, restaurant. Restaurant. You see on a orange. You see cafe. You see telephone. So you can see at the end that bear the heavy stress here. So you can see. You see, French words that are spelled like English words are almost always pronounced differently. You can see here, pardon, important, parking, sandwich, ticket. In general, consonants at the end of a word such as D, G, P, S, T, X, Z and the letter H are silent. You can see here, vous, despite the S here, it sounds vous. Here, anglais, nuit, dame, monsieur, hôtel. Ici, beaucoup, grand, grand, vous, anglais, nuit, dame, monsieur, hôtel, beaucoup, grand. French sounds, letter of English sounds, French examples. So you can see here, this letter A always sounds A in French. It sounds like English word cat. The sound of this letter A in this cat is what we attribute to this letter anywhere we see it in French. So you can see French example. Here you have madame. Here, mardi. You see, letter A. It sounds like above. The sound of this letter A here, above. So you can come here and say le, ne, je parle. You can see that this E does not sound, but it's here. It sounds like above. So je parle. You can say je parlais here. You can say je parle, no. So it's je parle. Here E, the same E sound like a burst before two consonants or X. You can see here merci. You see, the same E can sound like may before Z or R. So you can see here parler. The two of them sound parler. So the same E has accent here. So it sounds like a may, the same may, sound like the same thing here. So here you have parler again. So you can see parler and parler. Parler. Here you have café. So you take note of it. EZ or ER and E with accent sound the same at the end of a word. For instance, parler. Good. You see, letter E with other accent sound like a bear. Okay, you can see here we have bear, father, bear, fête. The sound here is like a bear. You can see the one that's italic here, AI, bear, fête. You see letter I and letter Y sound like police. So you can see here you have merci, dîner, typique. So letter I always sounds E in French. Always E in French. Letter Y also always sound E in French. We have merci, dîner, typique. We have letter O here, like sound like dot. So we have here olive, olive. Let's go to this letter. Tell you a sound not found in English. First say O, but then keeping the lips in that position. Try saying E. So you can see here you have une, du, union, union, une, du, union. You have letter O. These three words here sound O. This O, this O, this O. So pronounce as O, but with rounded lips. So you can see here, hotel. The H always sound like hotel, hotel. Here, autobus, autobus. Ici, beaucoup, beaucoup. You can see O, O, O. Hotel, autobus, beaucoup. Here you have E. As E above as here, same E, so same sound, sorry. Donc we have here les, ici s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, les, s'il vous plaît. See, you have letter like J, it sound like leisure, so you can see here je, bonjour, bonjour. You have sound like c'est. So we have here le, c'est. C'est. Yeah, wa. The wa sound at the beginning of one. Wa. So that's why we have this one. Bonsoir. Wa. Bonsoir. Yeah. You have ou. Ni. Vous. Ni. Vous. Ni. Vous. Good. Many consonants are similar to English, but with a number of exceptions and variations. So you can see here, this one, it sounds like sit. Sound like sit. Yeah. So you can see here you have ça, français. Ça, français. This is shop. You have like a shop, sound like sh. So this is French sh. So shop. So here you have chic, chercher. You cannot say that because you have ER that you have learned that it sounds A and you sound this one A. No, because this one is at the middle of the word. So it's the R here must come out of the word. So what do you do? It's pronounce this way. Chercher. You can see that this and this does not have the same sound here. But this is at the end, this is at the middle. So chercher. So but the sound sh is here. Chercher means to look for. Chercher, to look for something or to look for somebody. Leisure. This one sounds like leisure. So before I and G. So we have here Brigitte, not Bridget, no. Brigitte. Sound like sh. Brigitte. This O-J-N sound onion. I like cognac. So H not pronounced. So this letter H is not pronounced at all. So you have here hotel, hospital. You have double L. Yes, sound like yes. You have fille, travail. You have que, sound like que. This Q sound like que. So you have question, question 4. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine fois pour autre cours. Merci.